Hey YouTubers, today I have the Cressi Sub Reef shoes. The code is here, I will put in the description, VB950944. They're beach shoes, which means that if you're in a beach that has rocks, pebbles, probably big ones or small ones, these are nice to wear, more comfortable for your feet. Now, they're says here they're made in China. Let's take a closer look. Let me cut this thing between this. They came just in this small bag. They don't have a box. So let me cut this so we can take a closer look. As I mentioned, they're an Italian company. The shoes are made in China. So you can see they're quite flexible. This is good and bad. The sole is what's important about the shoes. It's quite flexible, which means that they're going to be very comfortable. It's going to be easy to swim, but the downside to this is that if you have big rocks, probably going to feel those big rocks on your feet. For the sole, it's very simple, just a simple plastic, which makes the shoe light. However, as I said, it does not offer much protection. This thing in there has a strap thing, so you can push your foot in and you can squeeze it tighter or have it loose, like this. You can see the material here is something like the diver suit, so you can definitely put this at sea, in the sea, or in the swimming pool, but probably in the sea because, as I said, they are beach shoes for rocky beaches. And the other shoes like this as well. They also come in blue color, but I took the black ones because it fits most of my bathing suits. Yeah, the build quality, it's okay for the price. I mean, it just costs 14 euros to buy those beach shoes. Hopefully they will last, but we'll see. Perhaps I will make a follow-up for this, or I'll put in the comments after I've used them for some time because they're just brand new. So these are the Cressi beach shoes at around 14 euros. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.